Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video I'm just going to show you how I dye my hair. So I like to dye my hair. I use a box dye, temporary semi-permanent dye. So two reasons why I dye my hair. Number one is just because I have grey hair. So I'm one of those who covers up her greys. So I have greys, just you'll see in the video I have it all throughout the middle and especially in the center crown area, and then I have it in bits in between. You'll see anyway when I show you the video of how I dye it. Another reason why is I prefer black hair. So my hair is naturally dark brown, but you can tell, especially in the summertime, that it's naturally brown. Also, I've noticed some relaxers, not all, but the relaxers I get, and I'm not sure if it's the box relaxers or what, but I find relaxers sometimes can lighten your hair. My hair was getting lighter brown, which I really didn't like. So I like to dye my hair and I use a black. So that is the colour I prefer. I just love a black hair. So this is the dye that I use. Like I said, it's a temporary dye. So it is the L'Oreal Paris Casting Cream Gloss No Ammonia Conditioning Colour. So this is the one I prefer. I did show you ages ago, if you've been following me a long time, you'll know that in one of my relaxer days, I first time ever used a rinse of dye. Didn't really like that. Didn't realise that, like, it literally rinses off. The next wash day it's rinsed out. For me it was just no point. So I stopped using it. Then I used to use another one which I will put up a picture, and the only reason why I personally stopped using it, I found it was drying out my hair. I'm already having problems with my hair, so I didn't really like it. The only problem I did love with it is that it was very long lasting. The colour did last quite a long time. I do dye my hair every 2 months, so this is in between my relaxer, and then the next one I'm going to use it again. This one I have to use it 2 weeks after my relaxer. They said I can't do it straight away, you have to use it 2 weeks after. This is in the color Ebony Black. It's very dark, as you can see it's very dark, so that's why I like it. And this one is a very creamy dye. I think it's mainly because of the conditioner it comes with. It's nice and creamy. Before I show you how I dye my hair, I just want to quickly show you two products and what I do to prep my hair the night before. So the first product is the Boots. It's by Boots. It's called Expert Healthy Hair Build Up Removal Shampoo. So this is new. I've been using it the last few weeks now. I know you don't have to use it every other week because it is a build-up clarifying shampoo, so you don't need to use it on a weekly basis. I would say maybe once or twice a month. You'll know how much build-up you have due to products, but I do recommend this. Basically, it's a clarifying, but this is the Boots one. I really like this. This is really good. Help remove everything from your hair. And it doesn't say here, all it just says is removes the buildup of impurities from your hair, leaves your hair feeling thoroughly cleansed and revitalized. And it literally does. It's so good. So I will definitely use this maybe once or twice a month, definitely. Then I followed it up with my favorite deep conditioner, and that's the Shea Moisture Intense Hydration. So these two is what I used the night before to wash my hair, and then I let it air dry. So let me just show you the rest of my video of how I dyed my hair. So the first thing I like to do is I like to part my hair into 4 sections. It just makes it a lot easier for me to work in section by section. Now I'm just adding the colour to the developer. I'm just squeezing out the tube and putting that all in. After you just give it a real good shake. First it will start off looking like a light brown, and slowly it will get darker the longer you leave it. Now I'm just working in each section. I just put it mainly at the root, and then I I just slowly smooth it out to the ends. When it gets near to finishing each section, I will just take the dye and just go over the ends, just to make sure it's nice and even, like the colour is just going evenly through. Be prepared, this is a bit of a messy job. One thing I've noticed, it does get a bit messy, so make sure you are wearing an old t-shirt or something you don't mind a bit of dye spilling, because sometimes that did happen. And all I'm going to do is just work in the 4 sections. And a reason why I like to start in the top and the front, just to really make sure I'm covering those greys. That's the whole point of it. So just to even out the colour and cover out all those grey areas. So after I finish all the sections, what I'm going to do is just leave this in for 20 minutes, and then I'm just going to wash my hair. Now that I've washed my hair, as you can see, it has taken, which I love. And then I'm going to proceed to blow dry and straighten my hair. First, I just want to show you the products. So first thing I'm using is my Motions leave-in, then my Redken leave-in, and then my Tresemme heat protectant. So as you can see, my hair really took. This stuff is so amazing. Let me just show you what my hair looks like while it's now blow dried and straightened. So as you can tell, it did cover up the greys, and my hair is nice and black, just the way I like it. I love it, I love it, I love it. This is a really, really good hair dye if you needed a box dye. And if you wanted any recommendations, I definitely recommend this one. There is a little con, but it's not a major con, and it's just with the conditioner. I find the conditioner is, I bought 2 boxes. You saw in the video, I only use 1.5. I don't know why I buy 2. I keep telling myself I need to just buy 1. I know 1 is just enough, especially with my hair length, and because it's so thick and creamy, it distributes very well. But this is the second one. But when it comes to the conditioner, because of the bottle it's a hard plastic, so it's very hard to get out. So when you get near the end, you're really tapping out, which I think is annoying, because the dye I used to have, the last box dye I used to use, it was in a nice tube, and it was just easier to squeeze out. This hard tube is really, really annoying. So I would just, little warning, if you get it, you're gonna find, especially when you get to the end, I'm one of those, I love to use up all the product. The reason what I'm gonna do with this second one, just if we want to know, next wash day I will just go over with this, and I'll keep doing it until it finishes. In my head, I keep telling myself it helps make it last longer. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to do. I just think it's just a normal conditioner with honey in it. So yeah, I just go in with this. I like to go in with this after my wash days. So that's what I'm going to use that just until it's finished. And as you can see, I gave my hair a little mini cut again. I did want to go hairdressers. Unfortunately, wasn't able to, because I only have 2 days of week 3 now. So yeah, I'm just need to work on my timing. My free time is just very hard at the moment now. But yeah, if you notice, my hair straightening game as well is improved so much, and it's just by these products, which I'll quickly show you. It's just these products I've used in my hair. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. And yeah, it is fine to use semi-permanent dyes on your hair, or if you don't mind those rinse out ones, you can. But just please, if you're relaxing your hair, don't go for permanent unless you've gone to a professional and they said it's fine and they know what they're doing. then hey. But if you're self-relaxing yourself, that's like me, make sure you use a semi-permanent, because you just don't want to double up on chemicals, because that could cause breakage, especially if you're going through what I'm going through. You don't want to cause no more damage to your hair. So yeah, that's about it. So as always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So take care now. Bye.